1, 2, in the place to be. 3, 4, I'm gonna show you more. 1, 2, in the place to be. 3, 4, I'm gonna show you. 1, 2, 1, 2.
What's going on? Chef Trauma. Welcome to Cooking at the Crib. Now, after a long day of work, brother hungry. And I'm not talking like, ooh, I want a bagel. No. Bagel's not gonna do it. I need something that's gonna put some meat on your bones. Something that's gonna fill your belly. Make you feel good afterwards. And you're gonna love this. Today, we're making biscuit pies. I know, pie, biscuit, it don't seem like it should go together. But when I tell you, you're gonna love it, trust your boy, Chef Trauma. It's how we're gonna get this started. Get you a can of biscuits. Now, you can go and get biscuits from wherever you want to get biscuits from. That's your business. I'm not counting your pockets. I want the good biscuits with butter. Take a look at that. It's already in there, baby. We ready. Next thing you gonna do, you had a long day at work, right? Smashed it. I'm not talking like just pat it. I'm talking about smash it. Push it down. Get in there. Yeah. I didn't count my drawer right, huh? Okay. How's that? Is it counting now? Sorry. Really long day. So now that you got it flattened out, almost like a pancake, you want to get yourself a liner for muffins, cupcakes. Flatten it out. See that sound? That's how you want it to be. Now once you get it in there, you got to kind of spread up the walls. I said it. Spread the walls. Push them up. Just like that. Don't be scared. It's just dough. Get the walls all nice and built up. Now you got yourself your pie crust. Next thing we're gonna do is cook yourself some chicken. You can go ahead and get yourself chicken breasts that aren't diced. Right now I ain't got time for that. I just got off work. I'm ready to make this food now. I got it diced. It's already diced. I ain't got to worry about it. Get that, get your pan hot, and get yourself ready because it's going down.
Wash your hands. Don't plop it in.
Chef Trauma, I got this. Make sure you keep everything moving. You don't want no burnt chicken. Don't nobody want no burnt chicken. Now you probably thinking, Chef Trauma, I didn't know you went to culinary school. You're right, I didn't. I went to the School of Hard Knocks. And when you in the School of Hard Knocks, you gotta think on the fly. I ain't have time for school, not like that. But I do know how to brown some chicken. It's okay. Get you a little salt, a little pepper, season to taste. I'm not saying clog your arteries. I'm not saying pull up your blood pressure. I'm saying season it to taste. You ain't got to be crazy with it. Little pepper ain't never hurt nobody. Maybe a little bit of garlic too. You know, just a little bit. Finish sauteing this up. Oh yeah. Oh man. gonna make this dish for somebody you love, somebody you cherish. They're gonna love you forever. Forever, ever. So now, once you know your chicken is done, and it's gonna have a firmness to it. You don't want it spongy. That means it's not done yet. It's gonna have a little bit of firmness to it. It's okay. It's okay. Once you know it's done, it's ready. You're ready to move on to the next step. Now, you grab yourself cream of chicken soup, condensed cream of chicken soup. And a spatula. Things you had at the crib already. This is cooking at the crib. You probably got this in your cabinet. You don't even know what this is called. It's a spatula. It's not that thing. Don't do that. Take your spatula. Insert. Slowly. Now twist. And make eye contact as you're doing it. Oh, I'm sorry, I meant we're cooking. Right. So, insert, twist, slow. Get all of it. Every last drop. Ooh, almost left some, see? Now, you grab yourself some fresh vegetables if you got time. Some frozen vegetables if you don't have time. Either way is fine, because it's just going right into the pot. Man, that was a hard step. Y'all people be at home complaining, talking about you ain't got time to cook. We don't have the resources to cook. Let me tell you something, I just got these are frozen vegetables. Then you just stir it up. Now with your spatula. Take your time with it. Ain't no need to rush. You don't want to lose nothing. Nice and slow. You can smell it too. That's how you know you're doing it right. Some of y'all right-handed. I'm left-handed when I stir. Some of you guys can go both hands. I don't really care. Just get it done. Oh, that's gonna turn. Ooh. It's gonna be so good. So good. Now, when I tell you that this is gonna be good, it's gonna be good. She get it all mixed in there real nice and deep like. What it looks like. Think of chicken pot pie. Think of the stuffing, the filling, all that creamy goodness. It's right here. Y'all ready for this? It's what we call the money shot. You get yourself a measuring cup, about a third cup of dew. And you just scoop it in real nice and deep like. So at this point, just keep filling the cups. Fill them all up. Don't be shy about it either, man. So now we fill. And then you look at it and you say, Chef Trauma, I still have some left. Never fear, keep filling. Ain't gonna be none left. Get all of it. Remember how we talked about it before? Circular motions. Slow. Get all of it. One more scoop, one more scoop. That's my it's gonna be good dance. It's a different show. Now that we filled it, it's time to top it. Put a little cheese. Don't have to be a lot, or it can be as much as you want. I like cheese. Cheese likes me. We in agreement, you know. We ain't got no problems. Now, what you're probably thinking is, Chef Trauma, you started making your food, but how are you gonna cook it? Did you heat your oven? Yeah, I heated my oven. I did. I heated my oven, 375 degrees. And I did that about 20 minutes ago when I walked in the door. It's a very important step. You've got your cups filled. Don't leave any of the cheese on the pan. Get it off the pan. It's gonna burn. It's gonna be black. And the house is just gonna be nasty. Don't do it. So now that your cups are filled all the way to the top, it's time to put the food in the oven. 375 for about 15 minutes. And then we do my favorite thing. Wait.
One, two, in the place to be. 3, 4, I'm gonna show you more. One,
Listen,
two,
that's our
in the
show.
place to be.
Thank you for tuning in to Cooking at the Crib.
One, two,
Man, Chef Trauma. And do me a favor. Help me. Like, subscribe. I don't know where but that's not my job. I don't know where to put this stuff. I just need you to click the button or hit the share, Twitter. I don't know. Or, you know what? Just do this. Stay tuned for more Cooking at the Crib.